ouais, ça. Yeah, man!
Bon, on est ready, esti. Ah ouais, il rentre, esti.
Part of me, I had to go and find myself on an open road. By the time I woke up in Mexico, I was wasting time chasing gold. I could blame it all on society for telling me what I'm supposed to be. I should get a job, settle down, but instead I live my life out loud. I was chasing warm tequila with my fears and my regrets, screaming out loud, hallelujah, for the life I ain't lived yet. And many years from now when I look back at how I misbehaved, I'll have love inside my heart and flowers on my grave. I'll be like, I live the fuck out of my life. If you're gon' do it right. I live the fuck out of my life. The fuck out of my life. The fuck out of my life. I put my thumb out and headed west, 'cause I felt this yearning in my chest. And my father always said it best, burn the world down till there's nothing left. I was chasing warm tequila with my fears and my regrets, screaming out loud, hallelujah, for the life I ain't lived yet. And many years from now when I look back at how I misbehaved, I'll have love inside my heart and flowers on my grave. I'll be like, I live the fuck out of my life. If you're gon' do it right. I live the fuck out of my life. The fuck out of my life. The fuck out of my life. I live the fuck out of my life. If you're gon' do it right. I live the fuck out of my life. The fuck out of my
On est
life.
parti de Evain et on s'est emmené ici de près.
Ah ouais?
Ah, ça se fait bien, ça se fait bien.
Ouais? Ah ouais, là-bas, ouais.